Good morning, YouTube. This is Chris Green with Outdoor Power Tech. I know it's been a week or so. I had to go to Ohio for 7 days, and then my great grandma passed away. It was good to be back, and I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. Let me drink coffee real quick. Today we're going to be working on a Husqvarna 125BV Boy Victor, and the customer's having issues with it cranking up. We just recently installed a new carburetor on it, and I checked for spark. It does have spark, but I'm thinking that the spark's not strong enough, and the compression of the engine's putting the spark out before it can fire, because everything else is checking out good. It has great compression. Carburetor's brand new, works good. Sorry about that, customer called. But anyways, as I was saying, brand new carburetor, great compression, does have spark. Spark's not the best, but I'm thinking that the spark's not strong enough and the compression's putting it out, which a lot of guys you watch on YouTube won't ever talk to you about that, because that is a possibility. You can have spark, but it's not strong enough. The compression's putting the spark out. But anyways, we're going to put a new coil in there. The part number, this Husqvarna again is a 125BV Boy Victor, and the carburetor part we're going to be putting on there, the part number is 530039224. Go ahead and open that up. And to get into this unit, you're going to be wanting to use a 4mm Allen wrench, which is I don't know what it is about this particular model, but these things come in all the time. I mean, brand new. Customers have them a month and there's issues with them. I mean, I've had customers bring them in here, they've only had them 2 months and the coil pack's fried. Carburetor's bad. And it's this unit, it's this same unit. I see them time and time again. I don't know. They don't build stuff like they used to. But let's get these 4 off. It's going to pull the recoil off. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is a very simple machine to take apart. I do like that, but everything's cheap. Okay, let's see here. One more up here. Now when you pull this housing off, your throttle's going to want to fall out, and the start switch. Just hold the start switch right here on top of your start switch. Let's see here, right here. You want to, right there, you want to hold it and pull this off right here slowly, and work your way up around that spark plug wire. Pull that off. Set that to the side. This pops off sometimes. I don't ever pull it off anyways. And this, if it falls off, just stick it back up on there. Just leave it like that. Okay, we're going to disconnect the spark plug. Of course, that's loose right there because I checked it out the other day before ordering a new coil. Okay, let's see here. We're going to pull off the cut-off wire. And I do believe, I forgot what that was. Let's see what size that is. Sorry guys. That is a 25 T25. Pull that one off, and this will be one of your screws that's holding on the coil. Just remember that ground goes to this, that ground wire goes to this screw. Pull that out of the way. We'll pull this bottom one off. I mean, the coil looks brand new. There is some bubbling. I don't know if I can show you this. Focus. There is some bubbling on it. Let me zoom out. There you go, you can see right there. There is some bubbling. This unit's a year old. The guy said he's used it only twice last year. Alright, let's get our new coil out. That coil looks good. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn your flywheel around to where the magnet's right there between these two posts right here. And I'm going to use a .010 filler gauge. If you don't have a filler gauge, let's just do this. If you don't have a filler gauge, you can use a regular business card. And just regular business card works perfect. Put your business card over those magnets. Get your coil pack. Put your coil pack down. Line them up with your screw holes, and it should stick to that flywheel. Once you got that done, pull this wire back over. Remember, your ground wire goes on the top screw. Get that started. Get the one on the bottom started. Screw it in. Snug them up. Don't go crazy on it, just snug them up. Because you strip that out, you screwed. Pull your card out. Make sure it clears, which it does. That's got a real long wire on that thing. See how long the other one was. Okay, now put this back on. Sometimes you gotta work with them to go on. Sometimes they just go straight on perfectly, like that. Work your spark plug cable or wire through here. Line everything up. Push it all back together. That is real long. I might shorten that later. Put your recoil assembly back on. I'm probably gonna have to stop this video for a second. Got a customer driving up. Yep. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. I will be getting back off here in a second though. He's going to come back. Alright. Continue putting your 4mm screws in. One thing I was going to tell y'all, which I forgot myself, the ones that go on the casing on the outside are a regular screw, just a regular screw, like a plastic screw, wood screw. The ones that holds on the recoil are machine screws, metal screws, whatever you want to call them. And I'll show you the difference up close if you want me to. That's your plastic screw. I don't know why I don't want to focus today. See how big the threads are on it? Focus. That goes on your, these are your outside ones. Then, you got this one, has smaller threads. Come on, focus. Oh well. Get all those in. The machine screws go into recoil because it screws in the metal. And your regular screws, regular threaded screws goes into plastic. Lighten the spark plug up. I'm gonna bring this back a little bit later on, but this video is on how to install recoil on this unit. And there you go. Hope y'all learned something today. I hope I was able to help somebody out. It's a very simple process on this machine. It's real simple. But till next time, hope y'all have a blessed day and take care. Okay, sorry about that. Had 3 or 4 customers come in. I've cut that coil pack wire down to the spark plug so it fits good. I done choked it and it popped over. I went half choked, so